The first time I ever spoke in Indore was also an invitation by Dainik Bhaskar, so I thank the Bhaskar group. I see that a lot has changed in Indore, but one thing has not changed. I just saw some posters upstairs. You are still making the same kind of fun about my mustache which you did 10 years back. We're going to have a chat today. I'm going to take you through a walkthrough. And the gist of what I'm going to share with you, these are learnings of many years. There are no formulas, there are no fundas. So I'm just going to share a story with you. And the main thing I want to share with you is that please, if you have a myth in your head that advertising is rocket science, demolish it immediately. Advertising is not rocket science. It is as human as any one of us. Products are made in the head. Brands are made in the hearts. And anyone who's able to give a product a heart is actually trying to make a connect with people beyond product values. It becomes a brand. It is like when you go out to buy a toothpaste or a soap or whatever, and you don't find your brand. Now, if you use some other brand, the world will not fall apart. But you still make that little effort to go to 2, 3 other shops. What is that? That to me is pure love and nothing else. Products change almost overnight. And I'm going to show you a lot of stuff today. In the telecom business, you can be ahead of the competition for exactly 48 hours. After 48 hours, everyone has the same thing. Then why do you choose one mobile operator and not other? The first set of things I'm going to share with you is about a very technology-based product, and yet it has got a human side why you love it. I think who needs to show a destination when you can show stuff so nicely and intrigue people so that they want to go there and see it. So, and both the MP ads, that's the magic of it, that either it's the shadowgraphy or this, or even if we go back to the good old eyes, there has been a form that MP has taken, a tone and manner which is very emotional and likable. Unlike Gujarat, which has the luxury of having Mr. Bachchan, so instead of him doing anything else, we just thought he takes you for a walk through Gujarat and talk to you like a human being and not like a salesman. All emotions. I believe advertising is the navrasas of life. Everything I've shown you is emotional and I'll continue to show it to you today. No rational stuff. You can go and read that in the books later on. I was asked a wonderful question by a young lady who had come to receive me at the airport today. She asked me inside, she said, so what does an award mean to you? So I said, that is a byproduct of good advertising. If you get it, be happy. And to me, the biggest award is if I'm walking on the street and somebody says, hey, you did that particular ad, I love it. For me, that's an award. And she said, can you give me an example? So I shared with her a story from Ad Asia in Jaipur in 2003 or 4. Sometime it was there. I was staying at the Rambagh Palace and I was coming out of the hotel and waiting for my car to come. And there was a elderly watchman, one of those people that came to Rambagh along with the Maharaja's workers, 65 years old or something. And he was talking to me. And he said, तो आपने जयपुर कब छोड़ा? मैंने कहा जयपुर में मेरी मदर का घर है, मैंने जयपुर कभी छोड़ा नहीं. He laughed and he said, तो आप जयपुर से वैसे ही जुड़े हुए हो जैसे फेविकॉल से? Now, that's an award to me. Now, since we are talking about Fevicol, I'll show you some Fevicol also. I can't do without showing Fevicol. You look at the beauty of the product, that you actually never see the product after it's been used. It is not a shirt with a label. It is not your Ray-Ban glasses. It is not even a paint where somebody comes to your house and says, hey, hello, your house is looking so beautifully painted. This thing disappears between the joints. This has a lot of Fevicol in it. And mundane product, carpenters use it. So where is the scope of being emotional about Fevicol? And yet I discovered over the years that that is what makes Fevicol tick. That is what allows the client to charge a premium over cheaper products that are in the marketplace. And that is why it is rated in the trusted brands studies higher than Coke and Pepsi. A product like a simple white glue.